All right, good evening, guys, or good afternoon. I apologize on that. We are live. We are live. Let's go ahead and get into the market and see what's going on. Push my notifications out, and then we will make it happen, y'all. If you guys are in the chat, like always, let me know. Give me a holler. Let's see. Let's make sure to get all of our notifications sent out. Give me a holler. All right, Twitter is out there, and so is Discord. That is what I'm sending out today. All right, and let's go ahead and dive on into it. So, is this just a major bear trap? That is the question. Is it a bear trap or is this a legitimate pump? Well, I think there's a damn good case to say that there actually is a legitimate pump here. I think it's actually very possible. It's make it very clear, guys. We have a lot of bearish pressure in the market. Okay, there really is. But I don't necessarily think that we're done. My bullish case is still viable. However, it is holding on by a thread, guys. I make that very clear. We have a lot of issues going on. But overall, I like some of this interaction on the low time frame. I really do. I think this movement right here actually looks really, really good. So yeah. Let's see. Give me a sec, guys. I gotta text a buddy of mine real quick. He's trying to call me, make sure everything is okay. Time to talk. All right, cool. So, yeah, overall, I think we still look okay. And the reasons why I think we are still fine is because we're still holding some of our key levels. Not by much. So this is our previous sweep. I said I would like to see a sweep at this level, which we did originally get a sweep, and then we completely failed the retracement. And this looks like a pretty aggressive buyback. I'm actually really impressed by the buyback. And then furthermore, if you go over here, find one of the good charts, this one right here, one looking for. If you go back to like the hourly chart, you guys can really see what's going on here. So it's this one. Let's see, from here to here, extended out, you can see how well it interacts with this level, and then again right here. So if you go on the lower time frame, you can see how we actually have gotten above it. Now, this retracement does not look great, make that clear, but I still think there's a damn good chance that we do pop the upside. So we do have this bullish divergence in the daily. This is still a thing. We do have this sweep that still is valid. We actually pop back into our trend line, which is also good. So right now we're basically watching and waiting to see what's going to happen from this point. I don't know. We're sort of watching this live, and I really don't know what's going to happen here, guys. Honestly, I don't. Okay. Let's see. Let's look at some of our charts, look at some of our indicators, see how we're doing. Technical side, let's go to DXY. I'm always interested to see. So DXI is rounding to the downside. And when DXI is rounding to the downside, that actually means that we are losing strength on DXY, which generally means you are gaining strength on Bitcoin, okay? Because they act inversely of each other. So when DXY is going down, that actually is a good sign for Bitcoin. So, as you guys can see, it's rounding down, and Bitcoin is actually moving upwards. And that's usually what happens. So the dollar cost index goes inversely to what you have here. And you guys can see the interaction we have with this trend line, which goes up to... Oh, there it is. Oh, my bad on that. So this trend line that I established this morning, and you extend it out, you can see how well we're interacted. We busted above it. We also broke through, but we closed back, or we broke through. However, it looks like we're rejecting right now on this trend line from here over to there. So basically, we have a lot of things going on. This is a really, really pivotal moment. I can't stress that enough. What I really want to see is I want to see it not retrace all the way down to this entry point. However, a retest is okay, but I don't really want to see it go much lower than what we have so far. Let's see. This is Bitstamp. Bitstamp's not a really good one to use. On this drop, we have low volume. The increase, we did have some decent volume. Not great, but decent. We still do have a ton of short positions open right now, and they are dropping, which is a good sign. That means they're losing confidence in this market right now. So yeah, we are having a lot of shorts closing, and that is creating additional bearish or bullish pressure on the market. And then the area where we bounced from is actually pretty interesting. I didn't really look at this until a little recently, but if you go to the higher time frame, the 51,000 region where we bounced from actually has quite a bit of support here. So like if you have this horizontal trend line right here, you guys can see one touch, two touch, went below it, and we touched it again. So this level right here actually has a lot of significance, and so far we have held on to it pretty well. So I really wasn't considering this level as a support level until recently, but honestly, it doesn't look that bad. It really doesn't. So this might be the bottom we're going to see here. So but we do need to see some reaction, though, guys. I cannot make that clear to you guys. We need to see some reaction on some of these converging trend lines and pop the upside. So this was a nice breakthrough, but we really need to hold it and continue up. Hey, Ivan, how are you doing, brother? It's nice to see you, dude. Whales having fun? I mean, honestly, it might be. I guess XRP is doing their hearing right now. Price actually is holding up really well. It's a good sign. When XRP is holding up really well during a hearing, that's actually a really good sign that it might not be going so poorly. Let's go to the BTC pairing, actually. BTC pairing of XRP is bullish right now during the hearing. That's really nice to see, actually. So, a little fundamental stuff, a little news-based trading there, but it definitely is something that we can look at real time. H-bar has some really good movement today. Hit rejected off there again. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It's crazy, guys. This trend line from here, major trend lines. 1, 2, another touch of it. We just keep touching the same level. We're really close to breaking out, though. Really close. So, because every time it touches this level, it confirms it as trend line as a solid level. However, it also weakens it. What level is this? Daily? I'm guessing daily. Yes, daily level. So what I really want to see here is I would love to see a close above this daily breaker right here today to give me some more confirmation that we're going to be busting to the upside here. Let's go back to Bitcoin because it's like the one we're all supposed to be looking at. This is the one that has the really important stuff going on. It really is. So right there, this is our major trend line. As of right now, we're still above it, which is really nice. I would love to see it back above this sweep. That'd be really nice. And this is a major 4-hour breaker that is going to act as resistance because we lost it. So, if you're in the chat, what do you think? Do you think we're going to go up or down from here? I honestly, there are some very good cases for both directions. Make that very clear. What do you think we're going to do? Do you think we're going to go up from this position, or are we going to go back up? My anniversary was great. It honestly was. I took my wife out. I surprised her. We went to a cooking class. So she had no idea we were doing it. So we did a cooking class, and she really enjoyed it. So she made a mention of it a long time ago that she wanted to do it. And so I completely surprised her, and she had a lot of fun with it. What is this, Bybit? Oh, yeah, Bybit has like no volume. Binance US. Let's go to Coinbase maybe. Let's go ahead and zoom in. Let's try to get a better precision entry here. We want to really get a precision entry on these right here, guys. It's actually about as precision it's going to get. Yep, it's a 5-minute chart too. Not going to get much better. And right now, we are definitely have touched it and have lost it. So this doesn't look very good. Damn it, damn it, damn it. I really want to see this thing keep going to the upside, guys. I really, really do. At the same time, though, like, we can't trade off of hope. Hope is not a trading method, as we know. Oh, it definitely pays off, brother. She's my wife, and I like her, man. She's a good girl. So, yep, she's a good girl. I do like her a lot. So, yeah, right. We're sort of just waiting at this point. If you guys have any chart requests and then you guys wanna see, let me know. And we'll start going over some. I really want to annotate and really watch this chart and try to get some idea of what's going to be happening, because this is a very pivotal moment, and I don't like to dive into the very low time frames. However, there is some validity in trading on a super low time frame. There really actually is. Okay, so not much there. By here. No, not as significant. Let's see. Like to see this held if possible. It'd be a really nice hold. Oh, man. Thirsty, guys. Just got off work. It was actually a pretty rough day at work today, so glad to be off. Glad to be here with you guys. Hopefully make some money tonight, because so far it has not been a good day. So I'm really, really, really hoping that we do have some bullishness in the market and save my butt. All right, yeah, so we are definitely coming into this trend line. Let's see if this holds. It might hold. It's possible, right? And I think this is probably like our last chance. If we lose this trend line, probably a pretty good sign that our bias is off at this point. Let's see. Maybe that. All right, we're coming into it. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, guys, like, I'm on the very low time frame, and I know it's pretty crazy. However, like, you really have to go on the low time frames to really catch these movements like this. And also, we already know what my high time frame bias is, right? Like, there's no real surprise there. So, no, I don't. Like, there's no reason as to why. All right, so on the Wyckoff accumulation schematic number 1, which I search all the time, so it's right here. Let's see if it pops up here. All right, when you come in here, you see how a spring, a test, and another test, right? This doesn't have to be that cute. It doesn't have to be that perfect, right? So as long as you make a higher low, you're fine. And a higher low, technically, is as long as we stay above 30,000 or $30,170 on this chart, right, on Coinbase. So we already have a sweep. We have this. So now, as long as we stay above here, that's still a higher low. So right now, we've retested this $31,000 region. Is that still a higher low? Yes. Yes, it is, right? So we have a low, a higher low, and a higher low. That's a change in market structure, should propel us to the upside. The problem is that obviously it looks very droopy right now. The market, this looks like a really rounded top pattern, which is pretty damn bearish. And that does not look healthy. It doesn't. So, however, the cool part about this whole situation is that we do have a lot of bullishness in the market when it comes to the, we have this falling wedge where we broke down from, and now we're back above. So we are still inside this falling wedge. That's still bullish. We still have the bullish divergences on the daily. That looks really good. The Wyckoff accumulation schematic still looks legitimate. Like, there are still bullish cases all over the place right now. Did we bounce off? Oh, we didn't actually. Okay. This looks pretty corrective. I like this movement so far. And retest and jump. It's a keep going up, curve up, guys. I really, really, really need this to happen. Yeah, H-bar had a really good day today. Looks like we rejected here. What level is this? This looks like a daily? No, weekly? Weekly level. So we rejected off the weekly level. Awesome. Fantastic. Damn, we got it all the way up there? Holy shit. That was a hell of an increase. Awesome. I like that a lot. Yeah, this does not look good, guys. I'm telling you right now, it does not look good. We're not done. Make that very clear. It's not over, but I don't like how we're starting to lose some of these levels. Really want to see us pop to the upside here. This looks good. We really need to see it pop, though. Ugh. Go. No, go back up. Go back up. Yeah, and I wouldn't stress too much about these lines exactly, because a lot of these lines were drawn on like the 4-hour chart, which isn't very accurate. So the goal, the main concern here is watching for the higher time frame ones, right? Like the higher time frame breaks. So yeah, yeah, do you guys have any questions at all? You want to go over anything, any chart requests or any of that stuff? Sort of at a stopping, or not really a stopping point, but we're sort of like at a lull point, just waiting for something to happen here. We gotta, if you guys have any questions on exactly why I'm bullish on Bitcoin, I'm gonna show you guys a video real quick. Go to my channel, come down here, and I made a new thumbnail for it. So right here, 8 reasons why Bitcoin is bullish, right there. And I still do believe everything in there. My faith is wavering a bit, make that very clear, but my bullish sentiment is still there. Uh-oh. As I'm saying this, we're having some sort of a negative reaction here. Okay, well, this obviously isn't working out. We're retesting the top side here, so this might be it. Look at metal. Yeah, you got it, brother. I got you. We'll check out metal. Oh, man, come on, guys. I really don't want to see it get back below the impulse. However, there's arguments to be made. This entire thing is impulsive. Let me see this. This would be a retest. So a retest of this trend line would be a golden pocket retest of this impulse. And I know it's not much of an impulse, but still, that might be what we're going to get. I don't know. We'll see. All right, metal. Let's look at it real quick. MTL. Well, looks to me like we're still in this level. There's a 4-hour level. We're still consolidating around it. Lots and lots and lots of volume. So look at this. Look at this volume profile. Where's the volume at? On the drop. Okay, that means that there's a lot of bearish pressure pushing this sucker down. That doesn't look very good, right? Cool news is we have very easily definable regions as to where our support's at. So we have one support here, one support there, one support there, and one support there. So every time it loses a level, you can assume the next level is going to act some sort of support. So that's basically what we're going for in this one. Let's go back to Bitcoin, see how we're doing. Still holding up decently. Not great, but it's trying. I don't like this. I don't like this structure. It's a really far retracement for this impulse. I don't like that very much. Let's go to Reef. Okay. Weekly. I think I did Reef a while ago, didn't I? I'm pretty sure I did. Well, for starters, this looks bad. I don't like that level at all because it's lost this level. Coming down into here, I think this would be a pretty decent buy right down in here. We haven't been tested yet. That'd be really nice to get an entry onto. Daily level. Guys, this doesn't look good at all. Not a fan. Yeah, we're just like hanging out in a really weird spot right now. I don't like any of this right now. You have decent support down in this area. I'm not even sure what level to call it, but there is support down in here. So this looks good, decent, I guess, but not really. And that's what we bounced off so far. It's not great, though. Overall, not a fan, bro. I'm not going to lie. There might be a trend line or something that we can break above, but as far as I can tell immediately, there's not much really going on here. Let's go from here to here. Extend it out. Nope. Yep, I got nothing. I'm not a big fan of Reef. Honestly, I'm not, man. But the Bitcoin, see how we're doing? Still hovering. Gosh, still hovering. I like how we haven't crashed yet, but overall, it's not great, guys. This is the spot where it should bounce. We have the support from the previous local high. Support from this point of breakdown. Like, this is the area we need to bounce from. This is it. Yeah, I have seen AXS, actually. It definitely is going on a freaking tirade right now. It's popping the hell off, guys. What else going on? Witch pump. Dum-dum. Whatever. AXS. Ooh, again? Holy shit. This coin has been doing some insane things lately. Wow. Wow. Yeah, that is pretty impressive. Honestly, it is. Because look at this. On the non-log chart, you can see how aggressive this movement up was. Yeah, I don't know if I would touch it necessarily, but damn, that's impressive. Oh, look at this retest. Oh my god, that was a gorgeous retest. See that? 1, 2, 3. All 3 levels come down here. Retested it right there. Absolutely gorgeous. That was a perfect opportunity. Damn it. That's beautiful. All right, how's Bitcoin doing? Ew, we're dropping further. Oh no, it's not good at all, guys. Damn it. You're making my bullish bias so hard right now. Not a fan. All right, so we are coming into a rounded pattern into our major support level. So could that give us strength? I mean, yeah, technically it could. So, oh man. I need Bitcoin to do something really soon. Market just looks like garbage right now, guys. The only good thing that we have so far is, as of right now, we're still above this trend line. Oh, this is Binance.us. Are there any other ones like this, or is this the only one? Bybit, and ignore that one. We are getting some bullish movement now. That's good, at least. Okay, so Coinbase, we're still above this level, which is really nice. Okay. This might be a solid retest or a reclaim. It really might. Let's go to the low time frame. Okay, we're starting to curve to the upside. It's nice, but you guys know what I'm missing. My volume. I need my volume like now. It's giving me some bullish pressure though. I do like it. Back above the previous low. If we get above here, I think we're going to accelerate pretty damn rapidly to the upside, which would give me a lot of strength or give me a lot of conviction in this market. Yeah. Uh-oh. We're starting to have some movement. Guys, this looks good. Come on, get above here. Give me a sec. There you go. One buddies wanted to text me or wanted to call me. I was like, no, bro. I'm streaming, bro. Bitcoin. All that good stuff. Any other coins you guys want me to go on over or go into? Let's see AVX. AVXS. I can't talk today. We're talking about the bearish divergences, right? Well, if that's the case, if there are bearish divergences, they're probably playing out now, and there definitely are. Say hi. Yeah, we're definitely having some sort of bearish divergences are playing out. How strong is this going to be? I don't know yet, guys. We really don't know. We do have a decrease in volume on the way up, so it's possible. I don't know, man. It's dangerous. It's dangerous to try to short a coin that has done this much, right? So if you want to try to short this coin, which I mean, I get it, man. It's risky, but you can definitely try. Go to a higher time frame. Like maybe this will be your short position. Maybe this will be your short position. Go to the 4 hour. Nothing. So look and see if it has sort of like a rounded retest. If it does something like this, if it does something like this, let's go to the lower time frame. 15-minute. Let's say it does something like this. Right? That is a short because it's coming into this 1 hour breaker at an angle curved. That's actually a good short opportunity. But if it comes in like what it's doing right now, like straight up, I would not be messing with that. There's too much strength in this market, guys. You got to be careful. But a rounded retest, maybe on low time frame, maybe you're like looking and like seeing like a bullish or a bearish formation pattern, like a rising wedge or something into this location. That'd be a good opportunity. But right now we don't have that, so got to be careful. I know it's super low time frame, but we did just close above this breaker. Like super low time frame. That might give us some momentum. Oh man. I am exhausted. Good news is that tomorrow I'm actually off work. So I plan on making videos tomorrow. That's my plan. So yeah, hopefully it's going to be a green day tomorrow. That'd be freaking amazing. And I'll do some videos, get people up to date and all that good stuff. Now, of course, if it is going to be a red day, that means we're probably our bias is wrong in which case I'm going to have to reevaluate all of my positions. Because, yeah, then I'll have to switch bear at some point. I don't necessarily foresee that happening at this point because my bias is still in effect until it no longer is, right? Until that validation. And my bias is still there, guys. We still have the bullish divergences. We still have the Wyckoff accumulation schematic. We still have the negative funding rates. Let's check the negative funding rates, actually. I'm curious. I'm assuming it's still really, really, really low. Yeah, it's still low. Fear greed index, we're at 20. We're still in extreme fear. God, look at that. It's just extreme fear all across the board. Last month, we've just been in extreme fear. Damn. Oh, okay. A cat just came and saw me. Hi, cat. Well, hello there. You guys see my cat? His name's Pharaoh. He's a kitty cat. He's a good cat. He's attacking my mic. So, all right, bye, Pharaoh. He gave us his presents. Now he left. He got me covered in cat hair and then left. Yeah, so the negative funding's still there. Everything still looks like the fear and greed index is so incredibly low. Like, this is usually a buying opportunity when it is in extreme fear for so long. This usually means it's going to be a buying opportunity. We're going to have the volume profile. Let's check that out real quick and confirm. See, make sure maybe I need to check my bias once in a while, right? You want to make sure that you're still legit. Make sure that you still have these. Make sure that it's still legitimate. So the only volume spikes that we've had is still this and still this. No real volume. This most recent candle actually does have some volume. However, what's the result of this candle? Well, right now, this 4-hour candle is actually a very bullish candle. Okay, so damn, bullish hammer stick candle looks just like this. See it? Bullish hammer. And yes, it's a bullish candle. So right now, this is a bullish hammer, and it's on high volume. We still have... Oh, actually, it closed in the next, like, 1 minute. But overall, it's still high volume relatively to the other ones. Is that the highest one? I don't know if it's the highest one, but it's damn near the highest, or at least it's definitely trending upwards. So... this is a really good looking candle. And if we close around here, this is actually a really nice candle close. In 49 seconds. Actually, damn, I'm actually sort of bullish right now. Okay. I see you right now. This actually looks pretty damn bullish. Let's look at the 4-hour on this one. Let's go ahead this. Let's check this. It's Bitstamp. Let's go to Binance. Okay, Binance is a good one. $12 seconds. Are we going to close above this sweep? This is a sweep level. Yeah, this is a sweep level. Oh, no. Oh, get. Ah, damn it. Wasn't as good of a close as I wanted. Let's see the other ones. Did the other ones close the same way? That was some straight up manipulation bullshit right there. Straight manipulation bullshit. They dumped it just so it didn't close above this sweep. I'm telling you, man, straight up. That is exactly what just happened. That is some bullshit. All right, we are having some pressure to the upside now. We have a lot of pressure to the upside, actually. Son of a guns. I cannot believe that just happened. Look, they pushed it down, and then we had an immediate pop-up. They're trying to make the candle not look as good. Wow. Son of a bitches. Stupid bears, right? Pop that sucker down last minute just to get it. Let's look at this. 1 minute chart. They pop it down just to lose it, and then it sprung right back up. That's crazy. All right, well, either way, it might not matter anyway. We might still get some bullish pressure here, despite that fuckery. Okay. All right, let's see. 36.22. Ooh, there we go. We're popping up, guys. If we reclaim this, I think we're going to accelerate to the upside. And if we get above this and 31.8, I think we're going to really explode upwards. Patience. Crypto Moon Amsterdam. Is that any of y'all? Let me know. I'm curious. I don't really have much to say, guys. I mean, honestly, I think everything's still the same as it was. If there's any sort of questions, let me know, man. I don't know, guys. I think it still looks good that we got above this level. I'm still bullish about that. H bar's sort of recovering. How's DXY doing? Let's go back to that. Ooh, nice drop. Nice acceleration. Guys, I really, really, really wanted to lose this trend line and stay lost. That'd be beautiful. Because this is actually, like I was saying, is a negatively correlated with Bitcoin. And I really want to see this sucker just nose dive down. Yeah, my buy is just still intact. Make that very clear. But make it very clear as well, though. Today's price action has not been pretty. But I've still got some faith right now, guys. Nothing is really like that concerning yet. It's close. But I'm still okay right now. Yeah. I don't know, guys. I was hoping we would get some more of a real impressive reaction, like very quickly. But we really haven't. So it's more of just like consolidation still. Which, I mean, is not a bad thing, but I was really hoping we could like catch something big here. And I don't think we're going to be able to catch it live and trade it live. Is that a... No, it really didn't hold it up. We have this. 2, 3. Yeah, guys, I don't know. Well, I'm probably going to go ahead and get off. I might come back later. If it does start to do anything crazy, I'll come back. I was hoping that we'd be able to catch some pretty good moves here and try to catch it. But I think in general that we're just basically just chilling at this point. So I'm not really going to go ahead and like stress about this right now. I think I'm wasting my time. I'm going to go enjoy my day and then come back when it actually starts moving around, set some alerts, and go from there. So I'm going to let you guys go. Like always, enjoy you guys stopping in. Make sure to like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will catch y'all on the next stream.